In the year 2026, many students in Kenya are discovering new ways to earn money while still focusing on their education. The internet has opened doors that did not exist before. In the past, students had to depend mostly on part-time jobs in shops, hotels, or small businesses near their campuses. Today, things have changed greatly. A student with a smartphone, a laptop, and an internet connection can work for people or companies from different parts of the world without leaving their room. Online jobs are becoming very popular among Kenyan students because they offer flexibility. A student can work during free time, after classes, or during weekends. This means a student does not have to sacrifice studies in order to earn money. Instead, online work can fit around the academic schedule. Some students even earn enough money to pay part of their school fees, rent, food, and transport. Another reason online jobs are attractive is the low starting cost. Many opportunities require only basic digital skills and access to the internet. Students do not need large capital to begin. With patience and consistency, small online tasks can grow into serious sources of income. Some students who start small eventually build full online careers after finishing university. Kenya has experienced strong growth in internet access over the past few years. Mobile internet is widely available across towns and cities, and many universities provide Wi-Fi to students. Because of this digital growth, more students are able to explore opportunities that exist on the internet. Companies around the world are also becoming more open to hiring remote workers, including freelancers from Africa. One of the most common online jobs for students in Kenya is freelance writing. This type of work involves creating written content for websites, blogs, businesses, and online platforms. Many companies need articles, product descriptions, social media posts, and website pages. Students who have good English writing skills can earn money by helping these companies create content. Freelance writing can start with small payments, but the income can grow with experience. A beginner might earn between 500 Kenya shillings and 3,000 Kenya shillings for a single article, depending on the length and difficulty of the work. As the writer gains more experience and builds a portfolio, it becomes possible to charge higher prices. Some experienced writers earn thousands of Kenya shillings from a single article. Another popular online job is online tutoring. Many students are good at certain subjects such as mathematics, English, chemistry, physics, or computer studies. These students can teach other learners through online platforms. Tutoring can take place through video calls, voice calls, or chat platforms. Online tutoring can be very rewarding because the tutor is helping other students learn while also earning income. Tutors may charge between 500 Kenya shillings and 1,500 Kenya shillings per hour, depending on the subject and the level of expertise. Students who are patient and good at explaining ideas clearly often succeed in this type of work. Social media management is another opportunity that many Kenyan students are exploring. Today, businesses depend heavily on social media platforms to reach customers. Restaurants, clothing shops, salons, and online stores all want to grow their presence on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and X. However, many business owners do not have the time or skills to manage their accounts. Students who understand how social media works can help these businesses create posts, respond to messages, and promote products. Social media managers may earn between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 15,000 Kenya shillings per month from a single client. A student who manages several clients at the same time can earn a steady monthly income. Data entry is another online job that attracts many students because it is relatively simple. Data entry involves typing information into spreadsheets, databases, or digital systems. Companies often need workers to organize data, update records, or transfer information from one format to another. Although data entry may not always pay very high amounts, it is a good starting point for beginners who want to gain experience working online. A student working consistently may earn between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 50,000 Kenya shillings per month, depending on the number of tasks completed. Transcription is also a growing online job. This work involves listening to recorded audio and converting the speech into written text. For example, interviews, podcasts, and business meetings often need written transcripts. Students with good listening ability and fast typing skills can perform transcription tasks effectively. Transcription payments usually depend on the length of the audio recording. A student might earn between 300 Kenya shillings and 1,500 Kenya shillings for each hour of recorded audio. With practice, transcriptionists become faster and more accurate, which increases their earnings. Online surveys and small digital tasks are another way students make money online. These activities usually involve answering questions about products, services, or advertisements. Companies use this information to improve their products and understand customer opinions. Although survey payments are relatively small, they can still provide extra money during free time. A student may earn between 50 Kenya shillings and 500 Kenya shillings for completing a survey. While this may not be a full income source, it can help cover small daily expenses. Virtual assistant work is another online job that has become very popular around the world. A virtual assistant helps business owners with administrative tasks such as responding to emails, scheduling meetings, managing documents, and handling customer communication. The work is done completely online. Students who are organized and comfortable using computers can perform virtual assistant tasks successfully. Depending on experience and workload, virtual assistants can earn between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 60,000 Kenya shillings per month. Blogging is also becoming an attractive opportunity for students who enjoy writing and sharing information. A blog is a website where a person regularly publishes articles about specific topics. Students can create blogs about education, technology, student life, entertainment, or ways to make money. At the beginning, blogging may not generate immediate income. However, as the blog grows and attracts more readers, the owner can earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Some bloggers eventually earn more than 200,000 Kenya shillings per month once their websites become popular. Graphic design is another online opportunity that creative students can explore. Businesses need logos, posters, advertisements, and social media graphics. Students who learn graphic design tools can offer these services to clients online. A beginner designer may charge between 1,000 Kenya shillings and 5,000 Kenya shillings for simple designs. As skills improve, the designer can charge much higher prices. Many graphic designers build strong portfolios and work with international clients. Video editing has also become a valuable skill in the digital world. Many content creators on YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms need editors to polish their videos. Students who learn basic editing software can earn money by helping creators produce better content. Payments for video editing depend on the complexity of the project. A simple video edit might earn between 2,000 Kenya shillings and 10,000 Kenya shillings. More advanced projects can bring even higher payments. Website development is another powerful online career path. Students who learn coding or website building tools can create websites for businesses, organizations, and individuals. A simple website may cost a client between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 100,000 Kenya shillings, depending on features. Even students without coding knowledge can build websites using modern website builders. Learning website development may take time, but it can become a very profitable skill. Affiliate marketing is another income method that students can explore. In affiliate marketing, a person promotes products or services online and earns a commission when someone makes a purchase through their referral link. Students often promote products through blogs, social media pages, or YouTube channels. Although affiliate marketing takes time to grow, it can eventually become a strong source of passive income. Once a system is built and an audience is established, earnings can continue even when the person is not actively working. While online jobs provide great opportunities, students must also be careful about scams. The internet contains many dishonest individuals who promise easy money, but actually want to trick people. A common warning sign is a job that asks the worker to pay money before starting. Legitimate online jobs usually pay workers for their completed work instead of asking for payment. Students should research companies carefully before accepting any opportunity. Reading reviews and learning from experienced freelancers can help avoid scams. Time management is also very important for students working online. Education should remain the first priority. Students must organize their schedules carefully so that online work does not interfere with lectures, assignments, or exam preparation. One helpful strategy is to create a daily routine that includes both study time and work time. Setting clear goals for each day helps maintain balance and avoid stress. Successful student freelancers understand the importance of discipline and consistency. Building digital skills is another key factor for success. The more skills a student learns, the more opportunities become available. Skills such as writing, communication, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and video editing are highly valuable in the online job market. Students can learn these skills through free online tutorials practice projects, and online courses. Over time, small improvements in skills can lead to larger and better paying opportunities. Networking is also important in the online world. Students who connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and participate in professional groups often discover new opportunities. These connections may lead to collaborations, referrals, and mentorship. Another important step is building a strong portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of work samples that show potential clients what a freelancer can do. For example, a writer may include articles, while a designer may display logos and graphics. A strong portfolio increases trust and attracts better clients. Patience is also necessary when starting online work. Success does not happen overnight. Many students begin with small projects and gradually build their reputation. Over time, positive reviews and completed projects make it easier to find higher-paying work. In Kenya, the growth of digital technology continues to create new possibilities. The government and private sector are investing in digital skills training and technology infrastructure. As the country moves further into the digital economy, the demand for online workers is likely to increase. Students who begin exploring online opportunities today may find themselves ahead of the curve in the future. The experience gained from freelancing, remote work, and digital entrepreneurship can provide valuable skills that remain useful long after graduation. Online work also helps students become more independent. Instead of relying completely on financial support from family members, students can contribute to their own expenses. This independence builds confidence and prepares young people for professional life. Some students even transform their small online side hustles into large businesses. For example, a freelance writer might create a digital marketing agency. A graphic designer might start a creative studio. A blogger might build a large media platform. The internet has made it possible for talent and creativity to reach a global audience. A student sitting in a small room in Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, or Eldoret can work with clients in Europe, Asia, or America. Distance is no longer a barrier in the digital economy. As the year 2026 continues, online jobs are expected to grow even more. Technology is evolving, remote work is expanding, and businesses are becoming more comfortable with hiring freelancers. For Kenyan students, this creates a powerful opportunity. With determination, patience, and continuous learning, online work can provide financial support during school years and open doors to exciting careers in the future. The most important step is simply to start. A student who begins learning, practicing skills, and exploring opportunities today may build a strong online career tomorrow. In the digital age, the possibilities are greater than ever before.